Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, the stock which I would be discussing is a stock which is the only composite quad sink manufacturer in Asia. And this company has shown a very good progress in recent time. And the name of the company is Acrysil. So Acrysil, this is engaged in manufacturing of quartz kitchen sink, stainless steel, bath products, tiles, as well as kitchen appliances and accessories. So as you guys might be knowing, there is a lot of scope, there is a lot of growth in the real estate sector, and coming to the tier 2 and tier 3 cities, there will be very good growth which will be seen in these cities in coming few years, maybe another 4 to 5 years, and a lot of scope and a lot of importance would be given not only to the manufacturing of the buildings but to the interiors. As I've already shared last week about Green Panel Industries, that was one of the company which has shown a very good trend, and if you could see, it has made a very good progress in 1 week. It has gone from around 455 range to around 510 range in just a week's time. So please be sure that I'm trying to do a lot of analysis and picking such stocks which are showing a very good trend, and one such company is Acrysil Limited. So as you could see, this company uses German technology and it is patented, and only 4 companies in the world has a license of production of this kind of quad sink. So you can understand the monopoly which this company has in this sector. So you have to understand that. So I would just share few details. So as I told, it is the only manufacturer with this German technology in the whole of Asia. So just understand that there is no Chinese competition. China, which is the largest manufacturer of almost all the goods, it exporter of all the goods. So there is no competition from China. Look at the way this company can progress. Okay, and there are few technologies and which are specific and caters to the needs of this sector. Okay, and as you could see, the quad sink capacity is around 8,40,000 sinks per annum, and it also produces the steel sinks. So that is also one of the things. And coming to, so there was 4 expansion plan in the year 2021 itself, wherein the first two, that is capacity expansion of 1 lakh units announced on February, which was completed on 14th of June, and capacity addition of 1,40,000 which was announced on 28th June, which started on 25th October. But there are 2 more things which are pending with respect to quads item, that is capex expansion and addition of 1,60,000 units, which was announced on 30th, and it is likely to be completed by Q1 of FY23, which is this quarter, and capex expansion addition of around 2 lakh units, which was announced on 11th June 2020, and is likely to be completed by Q3 FY23. So you can just imagine the kind of production enhancement this company is going to have in just an year or so. So once the production increases, it definitely will enhance its revenue capability of this company. And also one more thing is with respect to the capex expansion of 90,000 stainless steel sinks, and it is also going as per the schedule. This is as per the company's presentation which I have been able to access. Okay, and one more thing is capacity of quad sinks which have been added. So if you could see, it is around 8,40,000, which was 6 lakh in 2021. In 2022 it is 8,40,000, and by 2023 it is going to be 8,40,000 plus 3,60,000, which is going to be around 12 lakhs in an year. From 8,40,000 to 12 lakhs, it is more than 30%, which they are trying to increase the production capacity. So just imagine the kind of revenue these guys are able to generate in coming days. Okay, that is one thing. And another important thing which I wanted to discuss with you guys is its deal with IKEA. You guys might be knowing IKEA is a very, very big supply chain environment, and it has come up with its unit in a lot of Indian cities. Even recently it has opened in Bangalore. So they provide the complete wholesome approach of building a kitchen cabinet at a very cheap price. And when the companies like Acrysil can get such a huge opportunity to showcase its brand in such a big marketing or commercial units, deal with IKEA is also very important. And the timing is also very important with expansion in Indian market. So that is one thing. So let me quickly take you through the presentation which I was talking about. So if you could see the key highlights of the company, there is an increase in the total income of around 56%, with increase in EBITDA margin of 61%, and PAT after MI it is about 66%. And also another thing is, if you could see the consolidated Q4 FY22 performance, there's a very good increase in FY20. There is an income of 65.8 crores, and it has more than doubled in 2 years. So you can understand the total income increase, the EBITDA margin has grown. So these are very, very good numbers when coming to the company. And also, if you could see the domestic performance in FY21, the domestic revenue was 63.7 crores, which has gone up to 97.5 crores, and even the export revenues have increased considerably. So there is a consistent growth seen in income as well as EBITDA margin. The domestic presence has increased in last few years, wherein it has increased from 5% to 20%, and even the product-wise revenue has made progress in terms of the steel sinks as well as other appliances. So these are very important things which I wanted to share with you guys. And also, one of the very important thing is its acquisition. So Acrysil UK has acquired Ticker 4 Orange Limited, and also you have to understand Ticker 4 Orange Limited is a debt-free company. So they are not carrying any baggage of debt, but on the other hand, they are getting a very good market exposure to UK, that is the Britain market is towards European market, and there is a lot of market for this Acrysil in UK. Exports to around 55 countries, and it plans to expand further to export to different geographical spread. Even it is spread around American region, the African continent, but most of its market is spread in European region. Chances of growth in the American market is also huge. And coming to production capacity within India, it is having its production capacity in Bhavnagar. So this is what I wanted to talk about the Acrysil company. So let me quickly go to the fundamentals of the company. So Acrysil Limited is a small cap company with stock P of 25.8. Okay, so 25.8, as I told, it is only there's nobody in the market, so it has that kind of monopoly. So that is one thing. And debt to equity is also very less. It is 0.54 with price to earning ratio of 0.47, which is very good number. And return on capital employed and return on equity are almost close to 30%. And this kind of numbers are very rare in these kind of industries, because this is a lot of cost intrinsic products which are generated. The quarter on quarter sales has gone up, that I have already shown in the presentation, company's presentation, and accordingly the EPS has grown up considerably in last few years. Okay, if you see the technical chart of the Acrysil company, even today volume of buying seen. Okay, and that is a very good number. And if you could see here, so the green candle formed is very strong at around 560 and 600. So currently it is hovering around that range, and there is not much selling happening. It is just time buying, and definitely this company looks promising to grow further in coming days. But there are few challenges also existing with the company. One thing is the market, which is mostly 85% of its market is outside India. Current inflation trends and the current inflation problem in the European countries might hamper its growth in a short term, but in a long term, with a lot of scope within India, and with Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana being supported considerably, this company has a potential if it uses that opportunity of Indian domestic market to a very good extent. So that is one thing. And please note, this video is for learning purpose only, and this is not a buying or selling recommendation. Please do make your choice based on the decision from your financial advisor or your own financial bill. And if you do like this video, please share and subscribe, and please keep supporting. Let us meet in the next video.